Hi guys, welcome to Crazy Idea 2024 edition. I use this video each season to call for your help. Will you be kind enough to upload a video of your village on my server and allow me to upload on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day the 2024 edition of Christmas Villages from the World? If so, you are watching the right video. There are plenty of artists out there with their artwork complete, finished. So why not just take a little video of your artwork and share it with other villagers around the world? I'm calling you artists simply because this is not a hobby. This is a passion. And when you are really passionate with something, you can only produce art. This is only my opinion, obviously, but it is also a common opinion, I think. In the next minute, if you want, I will tell you how to upload your video on my server, and with just two simple rules, but this is not the first edition of this video, so you already know the rules, maybe, but the newcomers maybe not, so go ahead, please. And every single one of your village is perfect if you are really passionate with this. I will not exclude any videos. I will publish everything I will receive. This one will not be present. It is for your villages, not mine. And this is the last section I need to complete. This corner, new fences. Those one are new fences ready to be placed there. But I was not talking about my village. I was talking about your creations. I will simply need you to follow some simple steps. This is not an anonymous work that you are doing. I needed to credit your work. So just to simply place on some paper your name and your country and place it somewhere on the layout in order to let other people who you are and where you are from. Or maybe you can edit yourself your video and place it right here on the lower, like you are watching right now. Don't care, don't be bothered by the music. If you add some music, I will anyway cut it out. I will mute your videos because generally the music I'm hearing in your videos is copyrighted music, so the video will be copyrighted and may be banished from YouTube. But don't worry, shoot it as you want. Simple rules. First and main rules: 3 minute long video, no more than 3 minutes. I will accept some seconds over that, but not towards the 4 minutes, because otherwise this video could be extremely long. I'm talking about the 2024 edition of Christmas Villages from the World. The server can accept, my server can accept, any kind of video, MP4, AVI, MOV, MKV, every kind of video. Shoot it with whatever you want, a tablet, phones, smartphones, camera, professional camera. As always, shoot it. But if you are shooting your video with your smartphones, and this is one of the main cameras at our disposal nowadays, don't shoot it like this. This is not a TikTok video or a short for YouTube. I know one hand like this and you shoot everywhere commonly and very easily. Please shoot it widescreen, 2 hands on your phone, or maybe use a self-stick, or maybe a gimbal or a stabilizer, whatever you want. smartphones have powerful cameras, and this video generally is wide 69, so widescreen video. So it is the only way to shoot it correctly, like this. Maybe impossible to shoot with one single hand, and for stability maybe you want to use two hands, but those are the rules. But the main rule is that one. Unfortunately, it will be impossible for me to have a very tall and narrow video mixed with other videos. It's not like that it works. The quality, whatever quality you want, I'm not calling for 4K videos. The video, the format, and the resolution you prefer, I will accept everything right now. And obviously, where to upload these videos? On my server. The link is the following one, but don't worry, I will also put it on the description down below. And it is page you already know if it is not the first time you participated to these Christmas villages from the world video. I take my glasses because otherwise I'm unable to see anything, and I will show you the screen right now. Good guys, here I have the 2024 upload page, very similar to last season, except for this image up here and the title, obviously. The URL, the link, it is stated here up on there, but you have already seen it on the screen some minutes ago, and it is also marked on the video description down below. Let's follow what it is stated. Simply drop your file in the drop zone down below. This is the drop zone, so you just need to drop the file there, or you can click the browse button to search it on your device. What is it? The file of your video. Okay, the upload will start automatically. When the upload is complete, the following green check will appear to the right of your file, the file name, obviously. Very important, please, maximum 3 minutes long videos. I have already said that some minutes ago, but I certainly forgot to add not over 500 megabytes of dimension. This because some browsers doesn't allow going over that dimension, and because also some internet connection depends on some internet connections, and for me it will be also very hard to edit all your files if they are over 500 megabytes. So please, 3 minutes and not over 500 megabytes. As I said, I will accept some seconds above 3 minutes, not towards the 4 minutes, but 3 minutes and some seconds, 10-15 seconds, I will accept that. Let's test it. I will choose browse, but it is the same as dragging the file from your file browser and dropping it there. So browse, I will go in music, I think, yes, and I have a test file here that I will browse or open. I choose open, and test 2024 is uploading, and before the dimension is 532 megabytes, a little more, it is the limit. I've never uploaded more than this on my server. So here it is, the progress bar. I will fast forward it while it is uploading the file. Good, voila, done. A green check appear there. The speed is not all dependent on your internet connection. It is the way of uploading. We are using HTTP or HTML upload method, and so the speed is not at maximum speed for your internet connection, but it is a reliable method. I can check if the upload is there. It takes some minutes from the moment you upload, the moment I will get it, but voila, it is there. Test 2024 received now. And so it is there. Okay, I think I've said all. It is very simple to use this page, though. If you have already used it last season, it is all the same. For next season, maybe I will modify it, because with 4K videos is very difficult to remain under 500 megabytes. So please forgive me if you can't upload a 4K video of your village, but I will try to change this method for next season. Let me go back to the main video. Voila, here I am once again. So it is all, guys, very simple, and I repeat, any kind of video, any kind of format, don't worry about the quality, don't worry about anything. I will edit everything. I will not change your villages. Obviously, I'm not that powerful, and don't trust AI of being capable of doing that. No, it's impossible. So Christmas Villages from the World 2023 edition was magnificent world, even 2022-2021 edition. You have until, I think, the 22 of the December 22nd, okay, or December 23rd. Allow me a day to edit something if you upload your video lately during the season. But I'm just human. I will not be able to include any video after the 23 or 24. Okay, no, 23. Let's say 23. December 23rd. Finished. That line is that. What else, guys? Thank you for watching, but also thank you for your kindness. If you want to participate to this video, it is not a contest. We are not here to judge anyone, simply because you are artist and everything will be perfect. I know how time consuming it is and what you need to provide to complete each season a Christmas Village. Short, little, big, exaggerately large, don't care. Even if your village is just a house and a couple of figurines, because you just started this adventure, show us your way of producing that art. Please show us, please. Thank you. Bye, guys.